Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you how you can hide a specific chat or number of chats on WhatsApp. If you want to hide chats on WhatsApp, you have to see this video completely. For example, if you want to hide a chat on WhatsApp, you have to press and hold on that chat you want to hide, as you can see in the video. After that, you have to click on second button, which is named as archive button. If you click on archive button, then that chat will be hidden on WhatsApp. In this way you can easily hide your chat. If you scroll up and down, you can see easily that chat is hide. Simply, if you want to unhide that chat, you can easily do that by clicking on archive option you are seeing on the top. Firstly, that archive option was in the below portion in previous WhatsApp updates, but now it has come on the upper section. So if you want to unhide that chat, you can easily click on archive button. If you click on archive, then you can easily find that chat you have hide. If you again click on that chat and press again the archive button, you can easily unhide that chat. As you can see in the video, that chat is now unhide. Hope you have liked this information. If you are new to this channel, kindly like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of our latest videos like these. Thank you.